In this video, we're going to analyze Mitsuha's quote from Your Name. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
確かなことが一つだけある。私たちは会えば絶対すぐにわかる。
So today's quote has two sentences. 確かなことが一つだけある。私たちは会えば絶対すぐにわかる。確かなことが一つだけある。私たちは会えば絶対すぐにわかる。Let's look at each sentence. The first sentence is 確かなことが一つだけある。確か is a not adjective meaning certain. Modifying the noun こと meaning thing. When a not adjective modifies the following noun, the hiragana na should be attached. That's why it's called a not adjective. So 確かなこと means certain thing or something certain. Something がある means something exists or there is something. And you can add the quantities between が and ある. In this case, the quantity is hitotsu. The numeral in kanji read as hito represents one, and it's followed by the counter suffix tsu, which is used to count general things or abstract things. And it's followed by dake, meaning only. So, 確かなことが一つだけある means there is only one certain thing. Now let's move on to the second sentence. 私たちは会えば絶対すぐにわかる。私たち means we. The wa particle shows the preceding word 私たち is the topic in this sentence. 会えば means if we meet. It's the conditional form of the verb 会う meaning to meet. To make a verb conditional form, take the plain form of the verb and switch the last hiragana, which is from the u line, to the e line and attach ba. So the conditional form of 会う is 会えば。絶対 means definitely. すぐに means immediately. わかる means to know, find out, or figure out, used when you finally understand something or someone. There are two adverbs in a row followed by the verb, but each adverb affects different things. すぐに simply modifies the following verb わかる which makes will know immediately. And 絶対 affects the whole すぐにわかる part. So it's like, it is defined that will know immediately. So, 私たちは会えば絶対すぐにわかる directly means, if we meet, it is defined that we'll know immediately. Here is today's review. Review 1. こと means thing. You might know 物 which also means thing. 物 is basically used for tangible and concrete objects such as pens, apples, books, and so on. Whereas こと is used for intangible and abstract things such as ideas, situations, actions, and so on. Now fill in the blank with either こと or 物. My favorite thing to do is running. 好きなはランニングです。好きなこと はランニングです。好きなことはランニングです。The answer is こと as running is an action. I don't eat sweet things. 甘いは食べない。甘いものは食べない。甘いものは食べない。The answer is もの as it's a physical object that you eat. It's an important thing, so I'll say it twice. 大事なので2回言います。大事なことなので2回言います。大事なことなので2回言います。The answer is こと as something to say is invisible and intangible. It was a sign that bad things will happen. それは悪いが起こる前兆だった。それは悪いことが起こる前兆だった。それは悪いことが起こる前兆だった。The answer is こと as things to happen are abstract and intangible. Please do not touch things on the desk. 机の上のに触らないでください。机の上のものに触らないでください。机の上のものに触らないでください。The answer is もの as it's visible and tangible. Review 2. To make a verb conditional form, you need to switch the last hiragana of the plain form, which is from the u line to the e line, and attach ba. Japanese verbs are divided into 3 groups, but we can apply exactly the same rule to every single verb. Now change the plain form into the conditional form. Matsu, meaning to wait. The conditional form of matsu is mateba. Mateba. For example, 3分待てばラーメンができる。3分待てばラーメンができる。Meaning, if you wait for 3 minutes, the ramen will be done. 寝る meaning to sleep. The conditional form of 寝る is 寝れば。寝れば。For example, 寝れば良くなる。寝れば良くなる。Meaning, if you sleep, you'll get better. 信じる meaning to believe. The conditional form of 信じる is 信じれば。信じれば。For example, 信じれば救われる。信じれば救われる。Meaning, if you believe, you'll be saved. 来る meaning to come. The conditional form of 来る is 来れば。来れば。For example, 4時までに来れば間に合う。4時までに来れば間に合う。Meaning, if you come by 4 o'clock, you'll make it. する meaning to do. The conditional form of する is すれば。すれば。For example, 練習すれば上達する。練習すれば上達する。Meaning, if you practice, you improve. For more examples and grammar explanations, please check out our website. You can find the link in the description below. So today's quote, 確かなことが一つだけある。私たちは会えば絶対すぐにわかる means there is only one certain thing. If we meet, it is defined that we'll know immediately, which can also be translated as one thing is certain. As soon as we see each other, we'll definitely know. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.